When William Hughes Bulgaria first opened for business in 2004, it consisted of a new-build 1,000 square metre factory with 13 employees and one wire-bending machine. 20 years on, that factory near Plovdiv has expanded more than sevenfold to encompass 5 machining bays, a suite of offices, and 175 employees. A rooftop array of solar panels means that the company is pretty well self-sufficient in terms of energy. The success of the Bulgarian operation is built on the easy access it has provided to European customers for springs, wire forms and wire assemblies, largely within the automotive industry. Changing manufacturing patterns across Europe have seen a growing demand from the developing local markets in Romania, Serbia and Turkey, as well as traditional markets in the UK, Poland, France and Germany. Bulgaria also supplies a large number of parts to William Hughes Dorset factory, where they can be warehoused and distributed to customers in the UK, who get the benefit of a cheaper cost base without having to deal with the transport or the logistics normally involved in buying from low-cost countries. In the beginning, the Bulgarian factory was simply involved with wire bending, but as demand for its services has grown, so new machinery and processes have been installed. Massive changes inside the factory now include 35 CNC wire bending machines, 7 vertical and 2 horizontal injection molding machines, and 2 nylon plastic coating lines, along with MAG, MIG and spot welding. There are 7 robotic welding cells complemented by an electrophoretic black paint line and delta tone finishing. Bulgaria has been a key factor in the continued growth of the William Hughes organisation, not only as regards local business, but also making a considerable contribution to expanding UK operations, assisting in the company's proven ability to design, engineer and manufacture to exacting standards, providing competitive pricing and meeting tight delivery schedules.